How to fix microphone not working problem in Messenger app? Here's how. Initially start by opening your settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Then click on the manage app option. Once you are there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Messenger. When Messenger appears in the list, tap on it to open the app setting. Here select the app permission and look for the microphone in the list of permission. If it is set to don't allow, change it to allow while using the app. This ensures Messenger has access to your microphone during voice and video call. Again, return to the previous screen. Now tap on the clear data at the bottom right and choose clear cache. Moreover, confirm your action when prompted. Clearing cache removes temporary files that may be interfering with the microphone. Additionally, outdated apps can often cause performance issue. To check for updates, open the Google Play Store and tap the search bar at the top and type Messenger. Furthermore, if you see an update button, click on it to install the latest version. Lastly, open the Messenger and check if the issue is resolved or not by sending a voice message. And that's all. I hope this video helped.